Guys, I have a few problems here. This journey to Turkey will be completed in two parts. For the first one, I will board an Oman airplane and fly to Muscat. For the second one, I will board a Turkish airplane which will take me to Istanbul. Now the first problem is that as of now there is this huge cyclone passing Muscat named Shaheen. If my layover was 1 or 2 hours, maybe I'd have a chance of not having my flight rescheduled or delayed, but that's the second problem. My layover is 14 hours. Please fasten your seatbelts, everyone. We're gonna take our asses off in 5 minutes. You'll have 2 hours to watch a movie or something or whatever. After you get off, it's up to you to manage your time however you want. None of our business. Three, two, alright, screw it. Alright, enough with the montage. I'm starving. To be honest, the food wasn't that good, and I was probably still living off that ice cream milkshake I had in Islamabad. What the hell, man? You know what, this is definitely the last place on the plane where you'd want turbulence to kick in. Holy shit. Still had a lot of hours to go, so I guess it was time to kill some time with a movie.
From smoking into smoking.
Dear passengers, we have arrived in Oman. I have no idea where I have to go. So I've reached Oman. Now I'm gonna take a rest, then I have an airport to explore, and after that I have to sleep because my next flight is at 8 AM tomorrow. I know this was a kind of stupid decision, but this was the earliest flight I could have, so now we're fucked is what's happening. Okay, it's time to explore the airport now. Almost 11. I just slept 5 hours yesterday, so I have to go to sleep too. So we're just gonna quickly explore the airport and then I'm trying to find a souvenir, but I don't see anything that I actually like. That's my flight. Two problems. One, there is only McDonald's and KFC here, and the second is They do not accept euros or liras or whatever. They only accept reals. There it is. Okay, now we can have something to eat. It's so silent here. Okay, it's too late now. It's 12 and I'm so tired. I'm so sleepy. I just want to crash on a couch and go to sleep.